Welcome to this fabulous one-story home with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and a 2-car garage. The builder is Pulte Homes, and you can pick your own flooring or change the tile in the bathrooms. This popular open concept floor plan brings family and friends together. This here is a full bedroom with a closet being used right now as an office. You have the wide hallways. This here guiding you towards the laundry room area and 1 bedroom. And then as you come out, to the left is actually the garage, which is being used as an office, sales office right now. So you have the kitchen overlooking the gathering room, making entertaining so easy. This community has a mix of bungalows, townhomes, 1-story and 2-story homes. The location is super convenient, just under 10 minutes to the Orlando International Airport. So tell me, what do you like or dislike about this home? I want to hear your comments. If you are looking for a new construction including 55 communities, watch my selection of videos at Del Web, Sunbridge, or just send me a message. This is exactly what I do for other buyers that follow my YouTube videos. Maybe you're curious about the incentives that the builders are offering, like the reduced interest rate, closing cost contribution, designer option discounts, and of course, the current price. These are questions that I get all the time. What are your concerns? Reach out to go over your unique situation. Talk soon.